I will wait for 5 minutes only. I will wait for only 5 minutes. Then we will start our syllabus. Okay. Okay. All of you, screen is visible to you? Screen is visible? All of you? Yes? Okay. We will wait for 5 minutes. Then we will start our syllabus. Chapter. Join fast to the session. Okay. We will start our session. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. We will start our session. We will complete unit number 4. Okay. Uh, all of you see it here. Unit number 4, we will discuss the basic module importing. Okay. We will implement the basic module, how to import basic module in Python. Okay. All of you know about functional module. Okay. All of you know about range function. All of you know about print function. Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Then all of you know about file and directory access. Means open, close file, OS module we will implement in command line argument. Yes. All of you know about the basic concept. Okay. Then unit number 4, we will discuss the library module package 1. Means module 1, we can import the basic module. Means regular expression, import the RE module, Next, we will discuss the basic date time module. Yes. Then we will discuss calendar module. Then we will learn the array module in Python. Then we will move forward copy module in our Python. Next, mathematical function. In mathematical function, they are having so many function. Okay. And pseudo random number. Okay. Random function or random module. All of you know about random module. Okay. Then functional programming module. All of you know about range function, print function. Okay. Then we will not discuss it right now. And then file directory access. All of you perform the open, close, read, write. Yes. Yes. Am I correct? All of you perform it, program, open, close, read, write. Then we will complete our 4th unit. Okay. All of you listen carefully. They are having unit number 4. 2 main question. It regular expression, operation. What is mean by regular expression and which type of operation in regular expression? Okay. Next one, efficient array of numeric value. Okay. Our second question of unit number 4. And then tell me the copy module in our solo and deep copy operation. Okay. Then we will move for our 4th question, mathematical function. Okay. All of you know about mathematical function very well. Okay. It is a 4 most important question in your anywhere you want to म्हणजे external साठी हे question important आहेत. Okay. Then we will move forward unit number 5. And unit number 5, we will discuss first. We will go for our first one, syllabus, because of we will not. I will not print it here. Syllabus. Okay, don't worry. We will move forward our unit number 5. In this unit number 5, we will discuss the data precedence, means data serialization, data deserialization, means object serialization and object deserialization. Okay. Then we will move forward. Next point, CSV reading writing. Okay. Only serialization and deserialization concept of CSV. Okay. All of you got the idea of it. Okay. First point of our today's session, data precedence, means Python object and serialization. Wait for a minute. We will come back. 5 minutes. Okay. What is mean by object serialization and deserialization? Okay. We will discuss with a with example. Okay. Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. Okay. All of you know about object. Yes, we can define it object using the object we can declare with en with the help of any employee data means our instant of object. Yes, am I correct? All of you see my screen? It is visible? Yes, please speak up. Yes. Okay. We will take the data of employee. Okay. Employee roll number, employee name is equal to ABC. Okay. What is it? It is our employee data. Okay. Means our data object. Yes, employee data object. But right now I want to it is a Python object. Yes, we can create the Python object. Employee number is equal to 1 and employee name is equal to ABC. It is our Python object. I want to create means serialization means what? Convert our Python object to file supported form. Means Python object we will convert into file. Okay, file supported form. It is mean by serialization. Means you write it your data Python object to file supported form. Yes, all of you got it, the idea of it. And convert the Python object to file supported form. And deserialization means reading. Okay, means our simple file convert to Python object. Okay, revise the serialization means we can convert the file supported file means your abc.txt. Okay, test file abc.test file. For example, test file I want to convert into our Python object. This is mean by deserialization. Okay. Yes, all of you understood what is mean by serialization and what is mean by deserialization? Yes. Anyone having any doubt? Yes. Why so much silent today? All of you see my diagram? Yes, got it the idea of serialization. What is mean by object serialization? Means our Python object convert to our file supported form. For example, your abc.txt, your test file, anything in CSV file, otherwise type of test file, common file. Okay, common file means test file, test document, CSV file, next one PNG, anything. Okay, for example, I will tell you only two test document type, CSV or test. Okay, and right now we will go for our next point. Object serialization means we can convert the object to Python supported form to file supported form or network supported form. It is called as serialization. Okay. And next one, deserialization means what? We can convert the object to from the network supported form to Python supported form. Okay. File supported form convert to Python supported form. This is mean by deserialization. Okay. And this is the data precedence. They are having two types, write and read. Okay. Write and read. We can write the data built in data tuple, list, dictionary. We can write it. Yes, number, dictionary, list, tuple. Yes. Give me the response if you are understood or not understood. Okay. Give me the reply. Yes, student, please give me the reply. We will go for our module second program. First, give me the reply. You understand what you should be understood every concept clearly. Okay? Yes. And data serialization, they are having the two type. Right now, two type I will tell you because of two type it is important for your syllabus point of view. Okay, we can take it the we can choose the write read operation in data serialization. Then we will take the first type CSV. Wait for 5 minutes. Wait for 5 minutes. Okay. In this, sorry for inconvenience. Wait for 5 minutes. All of you understood the definition of serialization and deserialization? Yes. All of you understood the concept of deserialization and deserialization? Yes, because of only CSV file reading writing based on object serialization. Okay, object serialization definition you should be clear first. Okay, all of you understood the concept of object serialization? Yes. Yes, give me reply. Then we will move forward to CSV reading writing concept. Okay, tell me fast. Okay, in data precedence, Python objects realization having the two concepts, main concept, write method and read method. Okay, and we will data we can write it and read it. Okay, and they're having the concept of reading, writing and reading. Okay, objects realization. First of all, we can insert data. For example, data you can insert it number, dictionary, list, tuple. First, you write it. Yes, am I correct? You can write it first. Then you can read it. This data, dictionary, list, tuple. Okay. Then they're having the object serialization. They're having the two method, writing and reading. We can convert the Python object to file supported form, it is called as serialization. Means you can write it data to file supported form. Okay, this is mean by serialization. Okay, and by in the process convert the object form to file supported form to Python object. It should be reading method. Okay, reading method apply for deserialization. Okay, understood? Object serialization. Okay, I will tell you in Marathi, then you should be understood carefully. आपण एक डेटा इन्सर्ट केलाय. फॉर एक्झाम्पल number employee number is equal to 1. Employee name is equal to ABC. Yes, this is your object, Python object. Yes, correct. Am I correct? Python object आहेत हे सगळे एम्प्लॉई नंबर इज इक्वल टू 1, एम्प्लॉई नेम इज इक्वल टू ABC. हे पायथॉन ऑब्जेक्ट आहे. ओके, आणि हे पायथॉन ऑब्जेक्ट आपल्याला कन्वर्ट करायचे फाईल सपोर्टेड फॉर्म. फर्स्ट वन CSV फाईल आहे, दुसरा आहे टेस्ट फाईल. पण पायथॉन मध्ये आपण टेस्ट फाईल म्हणून CSV फाईल घेतोय कॉमन. ओके, कॉमा सेपरेटेड व्हॅल्यू CSV फाईल. ओके, एक पायथॉन ऑब्जेक्ट कन्वर्ट करतो फाईल सपोर्टेड फॉर्म म्हणजे राईट करतो. राईट करणार फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाईल सपोर्टेड फॉर्म मध्ये. ओके, त्याला काय म्हणायचं? सिरियलायझेशन. ओके, and deserialization means your simple file converted into Python object. Python object, networking object, anything. Okay, understood? Yes, understood all of you? Please give me reply. Please give me reply. समजलं का? पायथॉन ऑब्जेक्ट आपण क्रिएट करतोय म्हणजे इन्स्टंट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट एक क्रिएट करतोय एका क्लास साठी. ओके, एम्प्लॉई नंबर 1, एम्प्लॉई नेम ABC हे आपले डेटा झाला, पायथॉनचा डेटा झाला, ऑब्जेक्ट झाला. ओके, आणि त्याला आपल्याला कन्वर्ट करायचे. कन्वर्ट करायचं, कन्वर्टिंग इनटू फाईल म्हणजे सिंपल फाईल मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे. ओके, त्याला फाईल सपोर्टेड फॉर्म abc.csv म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल मी घेतला आहे CSV, तुम्ही टेस्ट डॉक्युमेंट घेऊ शकता, एनिथिंग. ओके, येस, अंडरस्टूड? serialization and deserialization. Yes, yes, anyone having doubt? Okay, then we will move forward to CSV. Okay, CSV stand for comma separated value. For example, I will tell you the demo of it here. Okay, okay, Microsoft Excel. ओके, ही सिंपल एक्सेल आहे. इथे तुम्ही सिंपल डेटा इन्सर्ट करणार, रोल नंबर, नेम मार्क्स, रोल नंबर, मार्क्स. मी ते इन्सर्ट केल्यानंतर ही सिंपल फाईल झाली. ओके, फाईल सेव्ह ॲज. सगळ्यांनी लक्ष द्या कारण की हे तुमचा एक डेटा सायन्सचा पार्ट आहे. यस ऑर नो? हा, इथे तुम्हाला सगळ्या टाईपचे असेल, XML डेटा, वेब पेज, एक्सेल टेम्पलेट, एक्सेल टेस्ट, युनिकोड टेस्ट, CSV तुम्ही इथे बघत आहात का? येस और नो? CSV कॉमा डिलिमिटेड. Yes, CSV. All of you, सगळ्यांना दिसलं का इथे? CSV कॉमा डिलिमिटेड. ओके, CSV पण पहिलाच घ्यायचं, कॉमा डिलिमिटेड. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? ये आपण इथे राईट करणार, रीड करणार. ओके, फाईल राईट करणार फर्स्ट अँड देन वी विल रीड इट. ओके, त्यामध्ये फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट आहे रायटिंग the data, write row, read. Then we will go for read method. Okay, we will go for program. All of you see this screen. Import CSV. Okay, import first CSV module in your Python. Then you can add the data of student here. Student here. You can write it here, student. Okay, and then write it here data, roll number, marks. Okay, roll number, marks, name, roll number, marks, name, roll number, marks. Okay, all of you write it your data in your student. Okay, I will take it student because of user defined data. You can take it anything. Okay, I write it here student. CSV file is equal to open. First, open it. Yes, first open it file student.csv. तुम्ही इथे टेस्ट देऊ शकता एनिथिंग, बट पायथॉन मध्ये तुम्हाला CSV फाईल रीडिंग रायटिंग आहे. ओके, student.csv कॉमा राईट. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन न्यू लाईन मध्ये राईट करायचं. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन ऑब्जेक्ट इज इक्वल टू CSV डॉट रायटर. मेथड घेतली रायटर. कोणती फाईल राईट करायची? CSV फाईल. ओके, देन you take it, come it here, next point, student, colon, next one object dot call your row, right row. Okay, राईट करायची, हा डेटा राईट करायचा. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन राईट रो, स्टुडंटचा डेटा राईट करायचा. ओके, येस, देन you can close it your file, CSV file, close it, CSV file dot close. Okay, run it, this data, what happened? Only write it, because why you not get any output here? Only you write it data in your file. Okay, means student, take it first, import CSV, then take it user defined data variables, anything, person, student, employee, anything. Okay, and take it to how many you want to value, how many data you want to insert. Okay, and next one CSV file. CSV file का घेतो आपण? ओपन करायची. फर्स्ट ओपन इट, नंतरच हा डेटा आपल्याला तिथे राईट करता येणार. येस और नो? Yes or no? Yes or no? Then open it and write it this data, student.csv. Okay, write it for more W, then new line, then object CSV dot writer method, and CSV file, write it CSV file. Okay, next one for student, in student object write row student and CSV file close. Okay, then we will move forward reading. Okay, आता ही फाईल मला रीड करायची, स्टुडंट फाईल मला रीड करायची, मग मोड कोणता यूज करणार? रीड मोड. येस, आर. येस, एम आय करेक्ट? वी कॅन यूज इट रीड मोड. येस, मी इथे स्टुडंट राईट करणार. येस, स्टुडंट डॉट CSV print row, then run it. What is the output here? Your Excel file should be created. Okay, and next दुसरा वे पण आहे, हा सिंपल वे तुम्हाला CSV फाईल इम्पोर्ट करण्यासाठी. ओके, you can directly write it data import CSV student is equal to अक्षर your data and CSV file open it. Yes, and तुमच्याकडे अजून एक वे आहे, तो जरा जास्त डिफिकल्ट आहे. That's why I'm not tell you right now, because of I'm doing it this data iris. Okay, you take it for your homework iris. Okay, you take it iris data and read it and write it. Okay, I'm already do it this program. Where is it? Because of this is the most famous iris. Take it iris data. No, this is my drive. Okay, wait for a minute. I will tell the next part. This is the simple method. You take it for the import CSV. Take it one data, insert it into user defined data type. घ्या एक डेटा घ्या आणि त्यामध्ये इन्सर्ट करा तुमची व्हॅल्यू, नेम, रोल नंबर. ओके, and CSV file default आहे is equal to open it first and then you can write it. Okay, and writer काय करतो? राईट करायचं काम करतो CSV फाईल. ओके, then for loop execute करा, क्लोज करा, फाईल क्लोज it. Okay, next one read it for your data. Next one, yes, this is the most yes, all of you know about the Google Colab. Iris चा data set तुम्ही execute केला आहे का? Yes or no? Please speak up. If you don't know Iris data, do it for your homework. Okay? Okay? Yes, all of you. I am telling only way to add it in your data. First, import it your Google Colab. Next one, you can write it here. Wait for a minute. तुम्हाला पूर्ण दिसत नाहीये ना? Yes. Right now it is visible. Yes. Okay. See here. तुमचा एक्सेल, तुम्ही तर एक्सेल मध्ये लिहिला असेल बघा, तुम्ही गुगल मध्ये जाऊन आयरिस डेटा सेट घ्या. आयरिस डेटा सेट इथे चॉईस फाईल म्हणून अपलोड करा. येस, आणि अपलोडेड झाल्यानंतर इथे येतं आयरिस CSV. येस, हाऊ मेनी डेटा यू शुड बी अपलोडेड. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इम्पोर्ट IO. नेक्स्ट वन आयरिस डेटा फ्रेम. हे डेटा सायन्सचा पार्ट झाला पूर्ण. Don't go here. Please don't go here. Only take it CSV. Only simple way you do it. Okay. Don't go here. there. Only take it iris dataset, flower dataset, use it manually, import it and write it and read it. Okay. And send me our WhatsApp group. All of you do it very well because of external, which question ask you don't know, because of your external is coming so far right now. Then you don't miss any session because of your session is very important. Okay. All of you got it? Simple writing and reading concept of CSV file. Yes. Yes. Anyone having any doubt till now? Then tell me. आयरिसचा डेटा सेट तुम्ही केला असेल एक्झिक्यूट, तुमचं पायथॉन डेटा सायन्स तेव्हा झालं असेल, त्यावेळेला आयरिसचा डेटा सेट तुम्ही केला असेल. येस और नो? प्लीज स्पीक अप. Yes, they're having the for 3 method. First one, write row, writer. You can write the object data in your file, store the data into a file, and write row means whatever your tuple, string, whatever you write it in your character. Send the character format. Okay. And write rows means 4 row, 3 row, 5 rows, anything. Rows, writer rows. Okay. Read, only read you in your CSV file. Okay. This much theory in right now. And second one, we are having the most important point, concurrent execution. Yes, we can start our OS. Okay. We can start our OS. All of you, if you want to do it CSV data set, then tell me. I will take the 10 minutes time to you and do it the data set. Anything. I will tell you Iris, you take it anything data set in your own. In your own. Don't go Iris because of they're having the width, length, pickles, so many things. Only simple data set you create it and print, write it and read it. Okay. Yes, Vedangi, Sakshi. Yes. No one give me the reply. What happened? Okay, Vedangi. Vedangi, Sakshi, Rahul, and next one Vishal. If you all of you you want to do it the CSV reading writing data set, you do it your own and send me the screenshot of our group. Okay. Right now you want to do it, take you a 5 minutes. Please pick up. We will go for our concurrent execution. All of you, please speak up. Why so much silent? If you want to repeat the once again, I will repeat it. लक्षात घ्या, फर्स्ट वन ऑब्जेक्ट्स रिअलायझेशन आहे. ऑब्जेक्ट्स रिअलायझेशन मध्ये 2 मेथड आहे, राईट मेथड अँड रीड मेथड. ओके, आपण कोणताही डेटा रिप्रेझेंट करताना नंबर मध्ये करतो, डिक्शनरी मध्ये करतो, टपल्स मध्ये करतो. येस, एम आय करेक्ट? कोणताही डेटा आपण रिप्रेझेंट करताना काय करतो, आपण फर्स्ट टाईप करतो आणि नंतर रीड करतो. येस, आपण फर्स्ट डे पासून आपण जेवढे प्रोग्राम केले आहेत आतापर्यंत, फर्स्ट राईट केलेलं आहे, नंतर रीड केलेलं आहे, मीन्स आउटपुट. ओके, येस, समजलं का? हॅलो, all of you understood? Number, dictionary, list, tuple. Okay, we can write it first, next one read it. Okay, serialization means what? We can convert object data to your simple file supported data. This is meant by serialization. And next one, we will go for deserialization. Deserialization means what? File supported data means simple data you convert into files, Python supported data. Okay. And then त्यातलाच एक पार्ट, त्यातलाच एक पॉइंट, 2 मेथड असतात, टेस्ट डॉक्युमेंट, CSV फाईल, रीडिंग रायटिंग. त्यातलाच एक पार्ट आपण इथे आता शिकलो, तो कोणता होता? CSV रीडिंग रायटिंग. ओके, वी विल गो फॉर program also CSV reading writing. Okay, we are having the program. If you want to try it, take it 5 minutes, try this program your own, change the value, change the data set. Okay, yes, I know that already you are bored for Python training also. You are having no choice. Okay, you are having no choice to do it this program. Okay, this point is also covered in Python training session, but we will cover it because of our having the syllabus. Okay, yes, yes, if you want to do it only simple program, you don't go for Iris. Please don't go Iris, take it only simple employee data set or anything. Okay, don't go for Iris because of width, height, they're having so many uh, things in Iris dataset. Okay, don't go there. Only I will tell you simple CSV reading writing. Okay, you do it your own. Yes or no? Then we will move forward. Second point, concurrent execution. Okay, what is meant by concurrent execution? Anyone tell me? Already you know it for concurrent execution in OS. Yes, Vedangi, Sakshi, all student TY A and TYB. your first day spirit is not right now. Why? You are bored for Python, or you are already know it, the all concept of Python. Yes, I know that you are having the Python data science training also, and right now Python programming training started right now. Okay, that's why you bored, so bored or interesting. Multiple program running at the same time means what? What happened? Yes, you can tell the concurrent execution. Okay, प्लीज प्लीज नोट ऑफ इट. तुमचं हे अकॅडमिक आहे प्लस पायथॉन ट्रेनिंग आहे, तो ओनली बेस ऑफ युअर एक्झामिनेशन. कॉन्सन्ट्रेट ऑन इन युअर एक्झामिनेशन. प्लस अकॅडमिक पायथॉन आहे तो पण सेमच आहे, त्यामध्ये काही डिफरन्स नाहीये. बट this is focus on only for examination and your certification. Complete your certification. Okay, next part will go for concurrent execution. They are having the part of thread and process. Okay, we will move forward. Thread, what is mean by thread? It is main concept, already you know it for OS. Okay, thread, it is a simple small program, separate program. Okay, we can execute separate small program at a time. Yes, this is mean by thread. Okay, am I right? Please speak up. Our second module in your Python, your threading module. Okay, that's why I'm going for thread concept, concurrent execution. Okay, concurrent execution. Next point, threading. In that concurrent execution, they are having the threading module. Okay, thread, it is your small program. You can run it at the same time. Okay, next one, they are having the method of threading. Thread active count, thread current thread. Next one, threading get attend, thread attend. Next one, thread enumerate and thread main. Okay,
Hello, ma'am.
hello Vedanti.
Ma'am, actually, we are having a guest lecture at 2 p.m.
Okay, no problem. We will stop here. Write down your roll number, name into chat box. Vedangi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me right now, कुणाचं lecture आहे, guest lecture right now? Guest lecture कुणाचं आहे?
Ma'am, Praveen sir on manual testing.
Manual testing. Okay. Testing also is the most important and most right now for grooming point. If you are having not interest in developer side, you go for testing. I will tell you frankly. Okay, go for testing. Don't right now, you are right place to take the decision. Okay, take the good decision for your. Okay, it is a most important point. Okay, आत्ताच लक्षात घ्या की तुमचं कोणत्या पॉइंटला तुम्ही जाऊ शकता. येस, तुम्ही कशात तुमचं डोमेन चूज करू शकता. ओके, युअर राईट टाइम, राईट. Okay, yes, all of you write down your roll number fast, then we will leave the session. Okay, we will stop here. Then we will move for our second point in our second lecture. If it is complete, I will provide your notes for all subjects. Right now, how many chapter covered? We will give the notes. Okay. All of you write down your presentee. All of you write it. Then we will leave this session. Good day. Good session. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. We'll close the meeting.